We're in Chinatown in KL and we're going to show you around the place. We've never been here, so we're just going to cruise around, take you with us on our little tour of Chinatown here in Kuala Lumpur. Petaling Street in Chinatown is host to a huge street market here in KL. There are tons of street stores selling souvenirs, and of course for us, we're most interested in the food. So this Chinatown is actually really massive, a lot bigger than in Melbourne, Australia. There's a lot going on around us, a lot of accessories, a lot more souvenirs and kind of just regular shops. I thought it was more of a food place, but I think maybe the food places are kind of just off the main stretch. So we're going to go down some of those stretches as well, see if we can find some more food stands and see what they have here in Petaling Street. There are loads of different food stores to try local fresh fruit and delicious street food.
It's really hot today. Oh my god, I'm sweating so much. I think it was a great idea to come here because there are lots of shops. More further in you can see lots of restaurants too. Here I think the food seems a little bit cheaper than any shopping malls. But right now I feel too hot. I don't know, I don't think I can try any hot food right now.
The atmosphere here in Chinatown is fantastic as we track down a well-known food stand to see if it's as good as its reviews.
I'm gonna try Kim soya beans. It seems so popular because there's a long queue. It looks like it's just tofu with a soy sauce, but we'll see how it's gonna be. It's really hot, but I can't resist this. Looks beautiful food. Listen to this. Tofu.
Yeah, big current. Tofu bar. Like tofu. In now. Cover.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat now.
Okay.
Ooh.
Hold on, slowly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's so hot. But it looks so good. It looks like a soft tofu with soy sauce. Oh. Taste this one. So yummy. Now I know why people were waiting for this. It's interesting because it's quite sweet. I thought it's gonna be more soy sauce kind of flavor. Nah, it's not. It's more like a brown sugar, sweet tofu.
Is it cool or is it?
No, it's very hot. Really hot. You should be careful because Nick isn't good at hot food.
Oh, I was expecting it to be very cold.
It's a soft. I think anyone would like this dish because it doesn't have a powerful, full-on flavors. It just gives you a little kick. Delicious.
I really expected it to be cold, so now I'm wondering what it's going to taste like. That's nice that it's warm actually. Just taste.
So delicious.
Yum. Sorry, I'm just going to keep on eating. I kind of forgot that you guys were there watching. I was just in my eating zone. This is really yummy.
It kind of melts in your mouth.
Yeah, it does. It's just, like Rachel said, it's actually so easy to eat. It's like, I can't imagine anyone not liking it because the flavor is minimal, but that's the good thing about it. It's just not like overpowering. It's still there, but with a bit of the brown sugar juices. I think it was well worth coming to the Chinatown market, if not just for this beautiful Kim soya bean. So yummy. Oh, even though the weather is really hot, it actually is kind of refreshing. Like, I know they say that eating or drinking hot food during hot weather is a good thing, probably because you sweat it out. And right now it's ringing true because this is beautiful on a hot day, a hot dessert. Who would have thought? This shirt is saying what I'm feeling right now. I love KL. I really do. It's amazing. Central Market is just a short walk away and another great place to check out on a walking tour of KL.
I've noticed that KL kept traditional parts of the city, and also it's got a new technology, something like a 3D art museum or selfie museum. They like new things, and that's pretty similar to Korea. I really love that about Kuala Lumpur. It's a little India. Let's have a look. I've never been to India, so at least I can go to Little India.
There are themed areas in the market where you can pick up specific souvenirs for the culture that you seek. In Little India, we found there to be heaps of cool bags, clothing and textiles which you can pick up at a reasonable price.
Oh, cute fish spa. I've never done this. I think I would feel pretty strange. But it's really fun, you know, it's only 10 ringgit. It's not so expensive. Very quiet here.
There is also a nice little art gallery section where you can also indulge in a risky little self-portrait. Would you like a portrait of yourself?
No, I'm a bit scared how they're gonna depict my facial emotions and everything, because usually, you know, it's very easy to get disappointed of your portrait pictures. So I'd rather remain in pictures.
Fairly close by, you will also find Merdeka Square, a beautiful place surrounded by iconic buildings and lovely fountains. It is also the location where the Malaysian flag was raised for the very first time. The flagpole is absolutely giant and stands tall in the middle of the square.
So after the heavy rain, it feels pretty cool. This is the first time I feel like it's pretty chilly. Yes, the weather is really nice. I'm hoping it doesn't rain anymore.
Thanks heaps for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our walking tour of KL. See you next time, and bye for now.